Doing a W brace on the VR Swap 370Z. What are we doing today, Doug? Yeah, she's pretty and super light, like pinky. VR 370Z. This has been in our fleet for many, many years. Just full disclosure, this thing has seen some track abuse. So over time, we have replaced these with Allen bolts with kind of little rounded tops like that. Yours are obviously gonna look different. You'll just have the standard bolts. Same process, remove, we're gonna put them back in. Yeah, so just look past that. I'm gonna get these guys out and then we will take those 14s, look like 14s. We got two here, and then one on the outside on either side, and then obviously these two and these two. Cool, let's take everything off. Bust this guy loose. All right, 14s, like I said, 4 here in the middle, 1 on either end. They're 12s. 12s? You just gotta put some oomph in her. There we go. Boom. Alrighty. Stock brace off. We got a new brace. What we're gonna do first is take the outside bolt that was here, and we're just gonna barely start threading it in on either side. That. And then I'll take one of our other bolts that go in the middle. There's little channels on the outside edge. That way I can slide it in and just kind of support it. Just like that on that side, that on that side. And then I'll just run one of these guys in just hand tight, just to support the weight while I get all the rest of the bolts in. Just like that. You guys actually have it easier than we do because we've had to replace hardware over the years. Sweet. Let's tighten up the 6 12 mils, then we're done. Good to go. That's how easy it is to install a W brace on a 370Z or new Z. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment on what how-to video you would like us to make next.